How to use old tires for decorating. Recycling is good for our planet, and your pocketbook, so next time you change your tires, don't dispose of them, repurpose them. There are many things you can do with old tires. You can make everything from a house to a beautiful and decorative garden planter. Follow the simple steps below to make a decorative and functional rock-covered planter for your yard. Things you will need: old tire, weatherproof adhesive, small flat rocks, heavy-duty plastic sheet, indelible marker, craft knife, hammer, small, 1-inch nails. Purchase a well-worn, old tire if you don't already have one. If you purchase one, find a tire that gives a bit when you step onto it. Using a well-worn, old tire is important because it will have already oxidized and release any harmful gases that may leach into flowers or vegetables. Cover the outside of the tire with a thick, tacky, weatherproof adhesive and stick small rocks to the whole outside of the tire. Flat rocks will easily stick to an old tire and look very nice when covering a tire planter, but any shape of small-sized rocks will do. Allow the adhesive to completely dry as the manufacturer instructs. Place the rock-covered tire where you want it to be before you fill it with soil. If you place it on the grass, you'll need to clear the grass from the area where you place the planter. You can also place the tire planter on a porch, patio or deck. If you decide to place it in one of these areas, purchase a sheet of heavy-duty plastic approximately the same size as the tire. Place the plastic under the tire and trace around the bottom opening of the tire with an indelible marker. Add 3 inches to the circumference of the drawn circle and cut it with a craft knife or heavy-duty scissors. Tack the piece of plastic to the bottom of the tire with some small nails to cover the opening. Fill the planter with your favorite soil mixture and plant flowers or small vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes or strawberries in your new planter. Tips: warnings. If you want a more colorful planter, just draw a design on the tire with chalk and paint it with waterproof craft paints.